What month is it? April. April. Month number 4 in the year. Let's hop, skip and splash. April showers fall from the sky. Clouds rolling and drift on by. Puddle jumping, mop it plop. Raindrops falling, drip drop. Flowers waking, colors bright. Springtime growing day and night. April, April, month number 4. 12 whole months, but we've got more. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3, 4. Learning, laughing more and more. If your birthday's in April, we celebrate you for sure. Feel love.
Sun moves when it break mud. One rainy day moves. Jump in a puddle, splash, twist, tiptoe quiet. Don't dash, spin like the wind. Whoosh, whoosh, freeze like a statue. Shh, whoosh, tiptoe quiet. Don't dash, spin like the wind. Whoosh, whoosh, freeze like a statue. Shh, whoosh.
April 1st, be on your guard. Don't let anyone fool you, think smart. Read carefully, check what they say. Laugh it off, it's April Fool's Day. Earth Day comes, we care for the land. Plant a tree, lend a hand. Sometimes Easter brings eggs and cheer. Springtime joy is finally here.
And don't forget mid-month too. Tax day's coming, stay sharp, it's true. Be responsible, read each line. Pay attention, you'll be fine.
April, April, showers and sun. Learning safely can be fun. Stomp your feet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Smart and strong forevermore. If your birthday's in April, we celebrate you galore.
Your moon wouldn't break more, but to spring energy.
Reach up tall like flowers grow.
Touch the ground, way down low.
Hop like a bunny, hop, hop, hop.
Twirl around
And stop,
take a deep breath and
blow it out. Let your kindness begin. Teacher, what number month is April? Kids,
what day should you be on your guard?
kids, what day reminds us to take care of Earth?
Earth Day.
And whose birthday might it be? Raise your hand. April, April, rain or shine. Growing hearts and growing minds. Smart and careful every day. Kind and helpful as we play. If your birthday's in April, we celebrate you today. NVIDIA Maxima loves the month of April. Abril.